there's 3 steps to this. I ask you, I tell you, and then I make you. You can either open up the door, I'm going to shatter your window. Your choice.
You're not welcome to do that.
I don't need your welcome.
Welcome back to the Law Lab USA channel. Everyone, today, we're heading to Texas for a traffic stop that quickly goes off the rails. Our rookie sovereign citizen makes not one, but 2 colossal mistakes. First, he tries to have Eddie Craig write him a travel script. Yes, the very same script Eddie road tested back in 2019. Second, he underestimates a sergeant who gives him one chance to step out of the vehicle before things get dramatic. Buckle up, because this is about to get wild.
Okay, for the record, may I get your badge number and your name, please?
Officer Goodwin, badge number 714.
Officer Goodwin,
Yes, sir.
badge number.
714.
Okay, can I verify that your camera's working?
Yes, sir. You're being audio and video recorded right now.
So audio and video are both working?
Yes.
Okay. Are you relatively certain that your recording equipment is functioning properly for the purpose of making this recording?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Seriously, are you absolutely certain your brain is functioning today? Because right now, I'm not seeing any evidence of one.
Is your body, microphone, and camera, if any, turned on and functioning properly to the best of your knowledge?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, Officer Goodwin, badge 714. What's the emergency and how can I help you?
Stop me for your registration real quick. I just want to run you real quick, and I was going to cut you loose real quick. It's expired by a year right now. And you're not displaying a registration sticker.
Officer Goodwin, badge 714. What facts of information are you alleging that gave you probable cause to stop and accost me?
Expired registration and failure to display registration exceeds.
For context, here's what happened when Eddie Craig, the creator of the script, actually tried this back in 2019. So, tell me again why this is supposed to work in 2026?
Officer Goodwin, badge 714. Do you have a properly signed, issued warrant authorizing you to search me or my property?
We're not searching you or your property.
Officer Goodwin, badge 714. Do you have a properly signed, issued warrant of arrest that accurately describes or names me as a person to be arrested?
You're not under arrest right now, sir. So no, sir.
Thank you.
As the officer said, you're not under arrest yet, but keep following this script, and ironically, you're heading straight for the search. An arrest you claim requires a warrant.
Is it true that when you get pulled over in the state of Texas, you're under a custodial arrest?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. For the record, I am not operating in a for-hire capacity by engaging in any form of transportation or other commercial use of the highways. Officer Goodwin, badge 714, please acknowledge that you have been so informed.
Nope, that's not how the law works. And the officer knows it. So naturally, he orders our friend out of the vehicle, which he refuses. This, of course, sets the stage for the sergeant's arrival.
All right, hey, do me a favor, bro. Step out of the vehicle. Step out of the vehicle. We'll talk to you out here.
I don't see, I'm not dangerous. There's no reason for me to get out of the vehicle.
Sorry, but that's not your call. By refusing, you're creating a potential officer safety issue. Pennsylvania versus Mims gives cops the authority to remove you from your car. How that happens? Well, let's just say it depends on how stubborn you are.
There, I do not have to give you a reason as to why I want to conduct the traffic stop with you outside of the vehicle, but I do, so you will step out.
Sir, what's your name and what's your badge? How do you spell your last name, please?
M-A-R-K-G-R-A-F.
Badge 716.
706.
Thank you. So again, am I under custodial arrest right now?
No, you're being stopped for the expired registration.
Okay, so who's in charge here?
It would be me.
Okay. So Officer Margraf, badge 706. What is your articulable probable cause that leads you to believe that I have committed or am about to commit a crime that authorizes you to stop and detain me?
Usually, I'd be past the point of telling cops to just smash the window for obstruction. But today, I'm exercising patience because the sergeant arriving in a few minutes is worth the wait.
Expired registration, and you are failing to display the proper registration insignia on the bottom left-hand corner of your license. Look, man.
Officer Margraf.
Step out of the vehicle, so there's 3 steps to this. I ask you, I tell you, and then I make you. So right now, I'm telling you to get out of the car. And then we can continue our conversation out here.
Officer Margraf, badge 706. In order to protect my rights and not waive any by error of accident, I wish to clarify my legal understanding of this situation.
You're reading from an Eddie Craig right to travel script and clearly have no grasp of the law here. Don't worry. The sergeant is about to school you in how this actually works.
You said that I am not free to go, so I must conclude that I am under custodial arrest, and this is simply not an investigative detention. Therefore, I'm invoking all of my fundamentally protected rights, including my right to remain silent and my right to assistance of counsel. From this point forward, I do not consent to providing you with any information or documents that could or will be used against me in court of law or to possibly incriminate me. So please do not ask me to produce anything and give it to you. From this point forward, please do not ask me to answer any questions or perform any forms of tests relating to any matter whatsoever without my attorney present.
So, give me just a second. You are detained. You're not free to leave. So sit tight.
I have Officer Margraf.
Fast forward a few minutes. The sergeant arrives. Zero tolerance for sovereign citizen nonsense. And yes, here comes the obligatory slow-motion car window bust. Honestly, I need a t-shirt that says, "I don't need your welcome under this scene." Someone make that, I'll buy the first one.
Sir, Sergeant Johnson, Livonia Police Department. You can either open up the door or I'm going to shatter your window. Your choice.
Sergeant Johnson. Please, I'm talking to you. That's not legal. You're not welcome to do that.
Look at that face. Is this a man who doesn't take his job seriously? I think not. Since our guy was an Eddie Craig acolyte, let's see how this traffic stop ultimately ends. Full video link is in the description if you want to watch the chaos unfold.
Do you intend to harm, injure, or punish me by any method of assault? You have just assaulted me, sir. You have just assaulted me. You are not welcome in my vehicle. This is my legally protected... Seriously?
What do you think's best?
Well, you want to go hands on? We'll get on. Real quick.
Yeah, we'll go hands on.
He doesn't have a weapon somewhere.
Yeah.
That's been my biggest concern.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
You might have one tucked to where you can't see it.
So as far as you bust the window out,
Yeah.
and then we'll take care from there, and you kind of just
Yeah. I'm gonna go up, hit it, clean it real quick. You guys go hands
okay,
on.
then we'll go from there.
Whenever you're ready.
Yeah, we're ready now.
Okay, I'm not resisting. I just want you to know you guys are falsely imprisoning me. So, get out! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Put your hands behind your back! Put your hands behind your back!
Stay down.
Thanks so much for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more. Huge shout out to my channel members and patrons. You're the real MVPs. Want early access to videos like this? Consider joining as a member or patron. Take care, and I'll catch you in the next one.